Have you ever been out in nature and sometimes as you're walking, you may feel drawn to a specific tree? Yes, a specific tree. Let me tell you, something in you on a conscious level keeps looking at this tree, but that's on the physical realm. Let me tell you what's actually happening. The most ancient expressions of source that are still here on earth actually exist within a tree. Trees have been around for can't even count how long, but a tree is not just a tree. Within this tree is an embodiment of an energy. And so when you're out in nature and it seems like a tree is catching your attention, it's actually the spirit of the tree, if we wish to call it that, that is actually signaling you in. Now I know it could seem like, why am I coming to the tree? Listen, this tree is more than a tree. When you look at a tree, what we see is the outer expression as it rises from the earth, rises from the ground. But what we cannot see is how deeply rooted these roots are, that that's actually holding up this tree. So let me tell you something. If you're on a journey, right, you feel defeated, you feel tired, but you are being drawn to a tree that just looks so strong and hefty. Listen, that is the energetic assistance that is being called to you. So when you feel drawn to a tree has many purposes on the spiritual realm. And let me break it down for you. The way that these ridges are in the barks, this is actually serving as a filter. So if you see a tree hugger, they know something. And I'm going to tell you what they know. A tree is a filter for the body. It's an energetic filter. So that same tree that is calling you, that tree, it's been here for numerous years, thousands, maybe even BC. So what you are going to do is respect the ancient wisdom that is now allowing you to tap into. When you see that tree, the first thing you can do, first you can acknowledge it for what it is and say thank you, expression of source. But if you hug this tree, hugging a tree does more than just embrace it. Hugging allows for it to draw out the energy that doesn't positively serve you. So if this tree is the representation of a strong root chakra, how thick it is on its morals and its virtues, how thickly rooted its roots are into the ground, then to hug this tree is to release everything that doesn't embody that energy within your source expression. See, there's an exchange going, but because this tree has been here and stood its ground so many years, is able to just process that energy and transmute it in a way that may be a little easier for us at that time. Now, many trees exist, but when you see the one that is calling you on your next nature walk or just to be out, don't be afraid to make your acquaintance, because it is here to assist you on your journey just as well as it is you assisting it, giving it itself a purpose to be who it was created to be. Until next alignment, source.